Some people find it difficult to hold Surface Duo 2 to take photos. If you're one of those people, welcome to the video. If you're new here, welcome. I hope we can earn your subscription today. I'm going to show you how I hold the Surface Duo. I actually find it to be, I think, better than taking pictures with this. So give it a look and then tell me what you think. Okay, you're going to take a picture. My preferred method of holding the device is like so. Try to get the screen back so you can see. You can see here, finger going over, middle finger wrapping up, and then coming up to here. And kind of a pinch here, just a little slight pinch. And that is pretty stable and gives me access to taking the picture. Now, you might also consider this. You see the middle finger coming down here, and then the thumb here, and kind of a slight pinch. Either way, whatever's comfortable for you. You can go, I don't do this often, so I gotta find my way around it, but the pinch part is here, and then kind of some pressure up with the fingers underneath, the ring finger and the middle finger. But I don't find this to be as stable as one of these methods. And this one being my preferred method. As you can see here. So using these three fingers here, which unfortunately, if you have carpal tunnel like I do, that might not be as good for you, but carpal tunnel syndrome, I should say. That may not be as good for you, but hey, it works for me because I still am able to apply pressure with these fingers here. If you must take portrait pictures, this is not something I do, but a lot, but I'll rest it on my middle finger, kinda. Putting the index finger here. So thumb coming across the bottom a little bit, getting a little bit of a pinch here. And that holds well, allows for an easy way to handle it. I don't know how people are doing it, but that's one of the ways that I do it. I hope you found that a little bit helpful. Thumbs up, shares, let other people know, comments, like to hear them, subscriptions, subscribe if you are not a subscriber. And again, thanks for watching.